In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the MMS messaging option is missing on your iPhone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app, then tap on it. Under Messages, just look for the option for iMessage and turn it off. And also just scroll down and look for the option for SMS. Now after you find the option for SMS, just turn it off. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds and enable SMS back on, and also enable the toggle for iMessage. After you enable iMessage, then just wait for a moment until iMessage is fully activated. Then tap on Send and Receive and make sure that your phone number or your Apple ID has been selected. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen. Now let's press and hold the volume up button and the side button at the same time. And after you do that, you will see the power menu on the screen. Now just slide this slider and power off your iPhone. Once your iPhone is completely powered off, then just use the SIM card ejection tool and take out the SIM card out of your iPhone. Now after you take out the SIM card of your iPhone, then just leave your iPhone powered off for 1 minute. After 1 minute, just press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now just wait until your iPhone finishes restarting. After you restart your iPhone, then just insert the SIM card back in your iPhone. And after you insert the SIM card back into your iPhone, you will find the MMS messaging option in the messages settings. But if you're using an eSIM on your iPhone, you can do the same process. Just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Mobile Data or Cellular, and from here just turn off the eSIM on your iPhone. After you turn off the eSIM, then just power off your iPhone and leave your iPhone for 1 minute, and after that just power on your iPhone and enable the eSIM back on your iPhone. Or you can remove the eSIM completely from your iPhone over here, and you can power off your iPhone and follow the exact same steps as I have mentioned earlier. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. From this menu, just select Reset All Settings, then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You'll just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, you can contact your carrier provider as the issue can be from their side. And this is how you can fix if the MMS messaging option is missing on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.